Hi, today I want to talk about dreams. So, dreams have always intrigued me. Uh, I always asked, why do we see dreams, when we sleep? What is it that creates that vision in our minds when we are sleeping? So, I had these questions in mind and I wanted to include this topic in my book Thoughts. The British philosopher Bertrand Russell made a very interesting observation. He said that if our dreams are in sequence, when we sleep, we see something, and the next day, like an episode, it continues, it will be hard for us to distinguish between reality and dream. So it's a blessing, really, that we don't see dreams in a sequence and every night we have a different dream. But why do we see dreams? Scientifically, this question I wanted to explore, and I read there are two psychiatrists that have done a lot of work in this area, which is Carl Jung and Sigmund Freud. But that was 60, 70 years ago. Uh, and we have not made much progress on the subject. So I have shared my thoughts on this idea of dreams in the book. So when you read it, I would like to know if I have increased your curiosity or I have answered some of your questions.